WT0386 Erlita Bartolome, 32 years old, single, a college level with 4 years of domestic helper experience in Dubai. Miss Erlita, tell me something about yourself.
I'm Erlita Bartolome, 32 years old, from Nueva Ecija.
So how long is your travel time from your place to Manila?
5 hours.
Okay. So can you tell me your hobbies as an individual?
I can cook,
Okay.
clean, gardening.
Okay, so you know how to cook, right?
Yes.
Okay. How about, do you know how to prepare or cook Chinese foods?
No.
Oh, why?
Because I came from Middle East.
Okay, but are you willing to learn?
Yes, and I am a fast learner.
Okay. So, for example, you were selected in Hong Kong, then your family, the family of your employer asked you to take care of an elderly. Are you willing to take care of an elderly?
Yes, of
Okay.
course.
So, for example, your employer asks you to take care of a baby, then the baby is sick or has fever. What will you do?
First, I get her body temperature,
Okay.
or I call to my employer, told to them about the situation of baby,
Okay.
and maybe if the baby is not good, to call doctors,
Okay.
and I will assist the doctors and tell to him or her what's the baby needed.
Okay. So, for example, you're already in Hong Kong, then one of your family members gets sick or ill. Will you just go home and break your contract?
No.
What will you do?
I tell to my employer to call my family in Philippines, or if they need a financial needs, I
Okay.
just only told to my employer and I will send money.
Okay. So, for example, your employer in Hong Kong asks you to take care of a child. What could you teach the child?
I will teach them how to read,
Okay.
count,
Okay.
and good manners and right conduct.
Okay. So, do you know how to sing lullaby songs?
Yes.
Can you sing one for us?
Okay.
Okay.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, thank you very much. So, among any other countries in Asia or in the world, why did you choose Hong Kong?
I choose Hong Kong because the salary is high and not too much far from Philippines.
Okay. So, could you promise to finish your contract for 2 years in Hong Kong?
Yes,
Okay. So, what will be your message to your soon-to-be or future employer in Hong Kong?
if they choose me, I will do my best to do all the work that they give to me, all the duties.
Okay.
Give me opportunity to learn their traditions.
Okay. So, thank you very much, Miss Erlita.
Thank you also.